Good morning, Amazon. This is the review. First of all, batteries should be included. Batteries not there. No batteries at all. Okay, didn't come with batteries. Well, it's not a big problem. I could buy batteries myself. The thing is, said adjustable 40 intensity levels. You're trying to get the arrow up and down. It goes 1, sometimes 2, and then goes 0 straight away. It doesn't change, and most important, it doesn't work. Tried to make it work, put the batteries, full batteries on it, didn't work. So I'm gonna return this item. I can't take it unless you provide a different one which works. If it does work, then we could make a deal. Thank you very much.